Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about BitTorrent price prediction and BitTorrent news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for BitTorrent in 2022. BitTorrent is a popular peer-to-peer, P2P, file sharing and streaming platform that has become much more decentralized in recent years. BitTorrent was originally released in July 2001 and acquired by the Tron blockchain platform in July 2018. Since the merger, BitTorrent has added a plethora of new tools, including a dedicated native cryptocurrency token, BTT, launched in February 2019. BTT was launched on the Tron blockchain and using its TRC-10 standard. According to official documents, BitTorrent is currently the largest decentralized P2P communication protocol in the world. The original BitTorrent was the brainchild of Bram Cohen, a developer and entrepreneur who has since become well known in the world of cryptocurrencies. Cohen says he developed BitTorrent to take the edge off an outdated entertainment industry that was making it slow and expensive to get content. David Gerard, the author of Attack of the 50-Foot Blockchain, slammed Chia for being heavy on electricity and acquiring multiple CPU threads running continuously at close to 100% for farming. Gerard emphasized that Chia's plotting process typically uses a computer's solid-state drive, or SSD, and can burn out an SSD in less than 6 weeks. By comparison, SSDs subjected to regular usage typically have a lifespan lasting more than a decade. Instead of carbon dioxide, Chia produces vast quantities of e-waste, rare metals, assembled into expensive computing components, turned into toxic near-unrecyclable landfill within weeks. Gerard's prediction that Chia will drive an increase in computing landfill already appears to have weight, with Fortune reporting hard drive shortages throughout the Southeast Asia region in anticipation of XCH's launch. In recent weeks, the demand and pricing for high-capacity hard disk drives has seen a material step higher, and enterprise SSD prices have also moved higher, stated an analyst from Bank of America. Centralized financial infrastructure. According to a Bloomberg report, Sun has been living in Grenada since 2019 and will start moving away from any crypto projects. Sun will exercise his functions at the WTO headquarters in Geneva, Switzerland. Tron without Sun, where is the network going? The entrepreneur has been the object of much controversy. His background, the way the Tron network was launched, and his alleged centralization, almost every aspect of Sun's life has been at the center of the argument. Upon his departure from the Tron Foundation, Sun declared the network as essentially decentralized. The organization itself was apparently dissolved on July 25, 2021. Sun said the following. He just and Suntron, BitTorrent and uTorrent have officially withdrawn from Tron representatives. Instead, the entire Tron network is now run by 27 SRs hosted by the community. In that sense, Sun believes Tron has entered a new age of decentralization and called his followers to embrace the decentralized future. The Bloomberg Post claims Sun gained some notoriety in 2020 after he participated in a charity auction and won a dinner with legendary investor Warren Buffett. The dinner apparently caused some tensions between Sun and the Chinese government, although these reports only remained as speculations. The Tron founder has been around for much longer in the crypto space, as the mainstream media failed to report. He has been involved in arguments with Vitalik Buterin, the inventor of Ethereum, and other figures. Efficiency than proof-of-work mining, seeking to identify unutilized computing power on validators' hard drives. To create a farm XCH, users install Chia software that writes cryptographic data known as plots to their hard drive. The blockchain broadcasts a problem for each new block approximately every 18 seconds, with the likelihood of an individual winning the block determined by the availability of unused computational resources provided by farmers. Despite the firm touting XCH as a green alternative to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, some have questioned the network's eco-friendly claims. In a May 23 article titled Chia is a New Way to Waste Resources for Cryptocurrency, the action lawsuit that alleged the platform been collecting and sharing personal data from its users, and sharing it illegally with third parties with any sort of consent. BitTorrent is changing today's content distribution landscape. The rise of blockchain technology has resulted in more and more people quickly realizing that their personal data no longer has to remain at the mercy of traditional tech entities. Instead, thanks to the use of decentralized ledgers, it is possible for data to be shared in a manner that is not only decentralized, but also safe and transparent. Venture capital firms Andreessen Horowitz and Richmond Global Ventures. Our goal has always been to go public relatively quickly, as that will significantly clarify our regulatory environment and allow customers to use currency to hedge public market volatility, which is different from other coins. The Chia network was founded in 2017 by the creator of BitTorrent, Bram Cohen, and raised more than $3.3 million in a seed round, led by Ravikant and Andreessen Horowitz in 2018. The firm describes its Chia token, XCH, as green money for a digital world. The Chia network's principal value proposition is its unique consensus mechanism, proof of space and time. The consensus method purports to offer far greater energy. Twitter handle. Sun said, I have accepted the invitation and appointment of the Grenadian governor to officially serve as the ambassador, permanent representative of Grenada to the World Trade Organization in Number Geneva. I will be working in full capacity to represent Grenada's national interests. In his personal account, the Tron founder shared an open letter to his community and talked about the importance of developing a relationship between regulators and the crypto industry, while highlighting the benefits for all mankind in developing an unlimited, decentralized financial infrastructure. Sun also said, sovereign states are the most fundamental building blocks of the world order. The due recognition of the blockchain industry by sovereign states will be the final milestone towards achieving a truly decentralized. In this regard, BitTorrent is a blockchain-based data sharing ecosystem that is localized in its governance structure, such that no one individual entity has control over the platform. From a technical standpoint, while most blockchain ecosystems today suffer issues like high gas fees, poor transaction throughput capacities, high migration costs, lack of interchain interoperability, and low horizontal vertical scalability, BitTorrent bypasses all of these issues, thanks to its future-ready infrastructure. Numbers-wise, the platform offers extremely high network relay speeds of 7,000 transactions per second, TPS, a figure that is extremely lofty when compared with those of rival mainstream projects such as Ethereum, Polkadot, Cardano, Avalanche, Binance Smart Chain, that offer rates of 30, 1,000, 250, 4,500, 15 transactions per second respectively. Additionally, while it is extremely difficult to transfer smart contracts algorithms that are designed to execute when certain predetermined conditions are met from one blockchain to another, typically, BitTorrent allows for one-click migration of its contracts, thus allowing for a high degree of plans and new restrictions. BitTorrent could cross $0.018 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2026. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2026 will be around $0.015. BitTorrent rate prediction 2027. BTT has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in BitTorrent, the price could rise much higher. By 2027, it may reach a maximum value of $0.024. BTT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2027 could end with an average price of $0.022, a minimum price of $0.021, and a maximum price of $0.024. BitTorrent price prediction 2028. The current BitTorrent price range may be of interest to many traders, and therefore BTT could reach $0.036 by 2028 with significant cooperation from financial institutions, if the following requirements are met. With an average rate of $0.032 for 2028, it could beat the last price trend and reach new highs. The bet slogan may vary as the crypto market may see another bull run on its way to 2028. BTT rate prediction 2029. BTT will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the BitTorrent rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2029, the BitTorrent rate will be almost $0.046.